Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Surface Pro first time setup and security, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Microsoft Surface Pro. Ensure that you have the device, the power adapter, and any accessories you may need. Attach the power adapter to the Surface Pro and plug it into a wall outlet. Press the power button located on the side of the device to turn it on. Wait for the Surface logo to appear and the device to boot up. Select your preferred language from the list provided on the welcome screen. Tap Next to proceed to the next step. Choose your region or country, then tap Yes. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Once connected, the device will check for updates. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. After the updates are installed, you will be prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by selecting the option provided. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and password. If you prefer to set up without a Microsoft account, select Offline Account. You will then receive a warning about limited features. Proceed with the offline account setup if you choose. Create a username and password for your device. You may be asked to set security questions for account recovery. Once your account is created, you'll see some personalization options. Choose a theme and background that you like. After personalization, you'll be directed to the privacy settings. Review each setting and make adjustments as necessary for your preferences. Select Accept to continue. You may also encounter the option to configure Windows Hello for enhanced security. If you want to set this up, follow the on-screen instructions to configure facial recognition or fingerprint access. Once set up, your device will finalize the configuration. This may take a few moments. Finally, you will reach the desktop, indicating that setup is complete. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.